Hello everybody, welcome back to Monster Hunter Stories 2. My name is Cesar Mondo, we're back. If you're wondering, last time we were left out, we were up there. Now we're just down here because we are. Don't worry about it. I just want to do some fun things. I took us some groceries and I came back, but now we're back. What a group we kind of had with us.
All right, let's split up and find him.
No, you guys hang back. I'm the hunter here. Let me do my job.
Hey, who put you in charge?
Simmer down. I know what it is. It's easy to get angry when you're hungry.
Honestly.
Am I wrong?
Sarge.
Oh, hello, Leggy. Some games remember you.
Kyle.
Look out!
Sarge. Why you?
What'd you just do?
Sarge. It's been a crazy ride for me too.
When I first saw that, I was like, what is this? Oh, it just, also, sorry, the pure, just Tigrex drip. Just all full on Tigrex. But you know, when I first saw that, I was like, what is that? I don't know about, but I'm guessing, yeah, because Navirou is from the first game. I'm guessing that's stored from the first game that I honestly did not play because I didn't get the chance to. Okay, so Lagigris. If I remember correctly, I think it's power. I think it's power. Let's go for the tail, I guess. Yeah, it is power. Okay, good. Yeah, unfortunately. Most of our party is weak to lightning, so yeah, no, it's gonna be a little not good. You're charging. Okay, at least on the body it is stop using rock shooter, please. Please stop using rock shooter. We got the kinship skill. Oh, now you Andy. Okay, well, let's use the ride command and see what you are. It would make sense if you're changed to speed because, I don't know, you're blue. Because that's how this game sort of thinks. Yep, that's what I thought. I'm gonna skip this because we've seen it many times. Okay, so that means I can switch to, you see what I mean? Weakness lightning, weakness lightning, weakness lightning, weakness. 4 of my 6 team members are weak to lightning. This is problematic. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, let's go Shiver. Yeah, let's use charge. Yeah, charge tackle T. Oh, I'm also weak to lightning because I'm also wearing the tag excite armor. Oh, that. That one kinda slipped by, huh? Forgot about that one. But absolutely makes sense. Okay, it's not attacking anybody, which is interesting. So it's probably gonna do. What is it doing? Well, it was attacking me, but it didn't show me. Oh wait, never mind. It attacked Kyle. Sorry. Oh, he's gonna use rapid shot. Oh, he's still angry, so he's paralyzed. Yep. Yeah, the bank. We all know this, right? Right, fellow 3 enjoyers? Yeah, let's ride and deal with that. I think this is the first time we're gonna do the lunatic thing. I think. Oh, you're doing wretched waters? That's something that Lugoth did. Wow! Wow, that dealt a lot of damage. And it's down, so yeah, let's all use speed, I guess. Why not? Yeah.
Stay sharp.
Yeah. I was wondering when that was coming. Okay, so you're back to normal, so we're back to power, so I should switch to no, because you're weak to both lightning and water, my god. Yeah, but I guess let's give Thunder a little bit of a chance, because it does have Thunder defense, so. So let's see tail. Everything the tail is bow. Would make sense if it's the hammer. If it's the hammer, I'm gonna be severely disappointed. As a hammer main, oh my god, why is it? Just to tease it, huh? Tease, just to provoke us. Oh, it's an effective on a tail, but it can't cut it, huh? I'll ride, but I'll use a regular attack. Although, well, no, it's not even slobbering yet, and it took 1,188. Yep. Nice. Well, I know what you turn into now, so. Yeah, let's get the way to level 3, and then I'll use it. Well, actually, he's also killing attacks. Actually, we both. Okay, yeah, let's do two level 3s. It's not. Well, actually, yeah, I think Thundar has more attack than Shiver. So let's see. Let's see what happens. See the damage? Yeah, no, way more. Okay, now you're slobbering, huh? Now you're mad, huh? Let's just smack you really hard. Actually, I think you changed to power while you're doing this, so. And I know you're almost down, but I don't want to take a chance. Actually, you switch to technical, so therefore I should switch to power. Oh, it still didn't do it, huh? Okay. Did that do it? Okay. No, actually, no. Still. Wow. Okay.
Hunting's for hunters.
Thank you. Thank you, Kyle, with those words of wisdom. Let's see if Sarge's okay. He seems fine. Just a little passed out.
Sarge, you okay?
Yeah, I'm alive. You were positively claudacious, partner.
Sarge!
We must tend to his wounds. May I?
Okay, we'll go on ahead.
I'm not going to insist you see things the way we do. But there's something you should be aware of. The situation's far worse than it seems. And it's possible that monsters are connected to the pits.
Say what?
It's your choice whether to believe it or not.
I'm a hunter. It's all I know. Everything about you people is confusing to me.
I can see that.
What's this whole idea of forming kinship with monsters? How do you control them?
It's not about control. Monsters help riders of their own will. And the bonds between monsters and riders are just like your bond with Tsukino. Everyone brings something to the table in the partnership between monsters and riders. This is no different. It's not only us suffering under these strange occurrences. Monsters are too. We're not your enemies.
Just keeps gasping. No, it's a lot to take in. Just listen. Kind of a jerk, but not horrible. See what's wrong. Oh well, Navirou hasn't. Oh boo-hoo, Navirou isn't. Whoa, okay, we got teleported. I was gonna try to see if I could get that butterfly that was taunting me in the cutscene, but I guess I won't. What's wrong with you guys? Oh, now you're a little speechless.
What's happening?
Before that, oh, there we go, down here. Yeah, since we kind of released a pelago, yeah, a feline from a barrel. Let you do this real quickly. Okay. Oh yeah, and now that we're here, let's take a quick second to hatch some eggs, shall we? I believe we haven't hatched these eggs, so yay! Rubisarius, the only type of Basarius I can stand. Here we have a brood T-Rex, which I think I like the coloration more. I don't know. 30. Like, I think you're pretty much. Well, in the not regular games, like what makes you different from attackers is that you use your roar a lot more. Even though a regular attacker's roar is still pretty powerful, yours is worse. And I believe you are a Crimson Quebeco. I thought about adding you to the party for like and replacing Shiver for a little bit, but we already sort of have an electric one, and your skill I'm pretty sure is the same as it's gonna be monster search, I guess. So we kind of need the the swimming still. Oh. Yeah, I think we're good to continue. I think it's kind of soggy until.
You're not eating your donut.
I've got this nagging feeling I'm forgetting something important.
Navirou, about that power you have.
Huh? Ah, you mean this?
It seemed like
You mean
Orgo
this
was
so
surprised by it too.
casually?
Yeah, I got this power after venturing out into the big wide world. You want to hear about my past? It's a long story.
Of course, I'd love to hear about it.
I was a stray, without a place to call home, without a name. I ended up in a brawl. Sarge turned up and tried to intervene. I know what it is. It's easy to get angry when you're hungry, he said. That only infuriated them. We took a pretty good licking, and we were a sorry sight afterwards.
You impressed me in that fight. That was some positively claudacious stuff.
He seemed so strong, and he always protected me. That's why I call him Sarge. We had a dream. We promised to travel the world together. But things happened, and we went our separate ways. our promise went unfulfilled. I got experimented on. I lost my memory, but I gained this power.
I can't imagine. At least you got to see your old friend again.
Yeah, and he didn't even get mad at me for breaking our promise.
That's positively claudacious.
Oh god, Anna, you're
Yeah.
trying.
Positively claudacious and... Wait, how'd that go again?
I don't know,
Is
it's a
something the
phrase you
matter?
keep repeating this entire time, so.
Well, we had this catchphrase, but I can't remember the rest of it.
The resident felines witnessed something in the garden. Please, hurry.
What did they see?
A monster, I'm
I
guessing.
couldn't catch it amid all the uproar. Let's get on the scene.
Okay. Seems to be getting stuff into a little bit of a heavy stuff, but eh? The plot is thickening, if you will. Nope. Nothing new. Okay, let's head up. Do I? Yeah. Let's head out. Let's go evening. Let's check evening. And we have to go. Okay. There. Can I even go? No, I cannot. Right. I kind of don't have to do that. You can just fly there. Okay. What they saw. Let's see. Or mushies. Let's see what we got here. Okay, I see T-Grex. Kinda don't want to mess with you, as I sort of have everything I want from you. No. I might quick finish you because I think I need a few more parts because you're used for upgrading later. Yeah, you're used to upgrading higher level equipment. I think it's actually the T-Rex one, so I think it was missing a little bit. I have to check. It's a jump one. Ooh, Leviathan. Okay. There will be Visarius down there, so I guess we might as well.
Could have handled it myself.
Yeah, you probably could have, but here I am anyway. Okay, that's a dead end. Okay, so we got. I feel like this is just a treasure, and I'm gonna go check if he's having. You couldn't wait, could you? If he's saying stuff, that means it's the right way to go. So.
Hunter, Hunting for hunters.
Again, Kyle with the with the pearls of wisdom. I don't know. I feel like all of partners so far, Kyle is kind of the more like, I don't know. He isn't like integral to the story and stuff, but I don't know. He feels like the most like that doesn't want to be there, which is fair. Which is like,
Hunting for hunters.
there we go again. I really hope there's something over here and it's not a waste of time. Oh. Thanks, I thought there was something over here too and I was like, wait, what? Oh, God bug, okay. I don't know if we've got. We probably have gotten a little more already, but. We counter M. Yeah, I'm just gonna run back. If they let me. Yeah, you can't fall that little gap apparently. And we have to go up. I wish the dash was a little bit more intuitive. Because did we miss that guy last time? Like I don't remember seeing the purple Uga. I don't know, I wish the dash was a little bit more intuitive, but I guess it's also your behind the steering a monster going as fast as it could, so I guess that's also fair. I think I just wish it was better at curves because it would be a lot more useful. Oh, the other expedition buddies came back. So do you get like a memo or something, Navirou? Like, oh, you just here now. Okay. Can I quick finish? Yes, I can. Give me those materials.
Could have handled it myself.
Yeah, we got so many of the little crab materials, of the hermitar materials. But we didn't get that many like Jaeger's materials. Okay, there's a burrow here, so can you tell me what's happened? Yeah, can you tell me what's happened? Got powder too, okay. I guess I'll recover. I don't know, it's kind of just going to the Pokemon Center even though you're full up, but it feels nice, okay?
Let's go.
Okay, you sound happy. I'm not gonna save. Yeah, it's the only way, right? Wow, you can barely fit here. Looking farther in? What? This is the first time we've seen this kind of like type of path. Oh, it's another hole. Oh, now it's lit.
Oh no, it's another pit.
Uh-oh.
What are these?
Bubbles?
Bubbles. This must be what the felines were talking about.
It's a Mizutsune! Watch the bubbles!
Its eyes. Its rage raid. Kyle.
Ooh, that's a cool shot. Bum, bum, ba, da, bum. Claudacious. I wish I remembered what it was. Is it power? You know what? Everybody, we're all choosing a different thing, so let's try it. It's technical. Okay. At least regular. It's technical. Which means I have to get you out of here. Yeah, let's bring out Ratha. Okay, the tail. How about the legs? Are your legs weak to giant sword? Oh, accuracy down, speed down. Oh, God. It's a lot of, I'm just gonna pep talk. That's what. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Really hard. Yeah, no, and it gives us every single one. Okay. I'm surprised we're still hitting. Okay, this is gonna be a. Okay, now it's really, really angry. Now it's angry. Now it's real angry. Shoot. Do you change to speed? Yes, you do. Nice. Good things. You can't miss heads-to-heads. Oh, your speed. Uh-oh, that's bad. I just said, I like having Wrath out for boss battles, but, yeah, sugar, huh? Yeah, that's sugar. Yeah, and I'm just gonna life sit. Because I'm not hurt that bad, and the pep talk should last another turn, I think. Wow. Okay. Okay, Kyle. Doing work, doing work. Ow. I'm surprised you're hitting this often. And not being, not missing, yeah, like, even though you have 2 stacks of it. Okay, I was about to say, not me. Now I can survive that hit. I couldn't hit the previous turn. You're probably gonna do. Oh, never mind. You're not doing a big attack. You're still angry, so let's. Oh, let's go for legs as well. Yeah, you're still angry, so still blue. You're doing pretty good damage with that. Nice, Shiver. Moon. Uh-oh. That did way less than I thought I was gonna do. Okay, now it's gone. Are you back to regular? Which means I'm gonna go for power. Yes, you are. Come on, Kyle. There we go. That's what I wanted. I just love that Shiver has to. They have to use the swimming animation for Shiver. Because there's no way he's gonna keep up with the speed of this attack. Nice. Go away. You're back to. Yeah, you're back to technical. That's a pretty good chunk of damage, not gonna lie. I still haven't broken your legs, and I've been wholly attacking it. And there it goes. And you're back to speed. I just brought out Sandstorm. Come on, man. I honestly couldn't even see the line, so I don't think it's gonna attack. Yeah. Oh! That hurt! Yeah, no. Everybody's getting a turn, huh? Yeah, no, I'm gonna need this. I'm gonna take a break and take a cold one. Holy shit. Oh, yeah, finally missed, yeah. Ow! I know you're getting more turns, but that's rude. Yeah, I'm gonna cheer again. Dude, he's hurting a lot. Oh, you're not being an asshat. Wow. God, you could get to use those skills? Poor Slurps that barely got any HP back. Yeah, let's screw you.
Perfect aim.
Yeah, poison, nice. Oh, you finally broke the legs. There we go. Nice. Oh, we did it. Okay. I thought I was charging up to do something else. I was like,
Hunting's
uh-oh.
for hunters.
Oh, Kyle. Also, yeah, Sukino just said something's not right. Uh-oh.
Come on, buddy! Time to finish this! This isn't gonna be easy!
Just believe.
Now! We did it, buddy! Thanks for the backup, Kyle. You're one cool cat.
There's so much I don't understand.
Huh?
What kind of power does Ratha really have? Why are all of these pits appearing? And who are those people who want to take Ratha for themselves? All I have are questions. But I know this. How powerful your bond with Ratha is. And how that power can stand against a strong enemy.
Kyle!
Friends.
We'll keep looking into the pits. Different perspectives can't hurt. That's the way I see it.
Kyle.
Come on, let's head back.
Pretty sure he's embarrassed as all hell right now.
Humans really are full of surprises. Sometimes it feels like you change in the blink of an eye. You've grown a lot too, you know, since I first met you in Mahana. You've gotten so much stronger.
Yeah, about 30-something levels. Friend of Kyle. Just an achievement. Okay, well, with that beautiful trophy, I almost, okay. With that beautiful achievement, also, it's beautiful, huh? I like the framing of this. Okay, Kyle. Yeah. I think we're gonna leave things off there for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya. Bye-bye.